Mimi and I are out here walking today. A lot of beautiful trees. Thought it might be nice to share the view with you. Come on, Mimi, let's go in the back. Mimi's all about sniffing everything right now. So the weather's been really cool here, but now the next 3 days it's going to be in the high 70s, and I think it may be the end of the beautiful trees after that, because I'm sure it'll get really cold after that. So this is the area where Mimi and I usually go on a daily walk. Sometimes Christy is going on this walk at 4 a.m. She's such a champ. The trees look really gorgeous, don't they? All right, come on, Mimi, let's go this way. There's where we store a garbage dumpster, so just ignore that. The rest is gorgeous, I promise. Hope you enjoy this little view with us. As Mimi's gotten older, she's a real slowpoke on her walks. Used to be in and out in 10 minutes. Now it's a good 20 minutes just to get out. Ah, look at the trees. It's about 9:30 in the morning. 10 maybe. Lots of sounds of town in the background. I don't know what you can hear. Lots of birds, trucks, everything. Oops, almost dropped the camera there, guys. Mimi's always got her nose to the ground, sniffing, sniffing. The birds absolutely love it back here, and you can see why. You can hear trucks in the background because there is a road nearby, but you're in a little private garden here. All right. Well, guys, I think that probably will wrap up our little walk for this morning. It was short and it was sweet, and I hope you enjoyed walking with Mimi and I on our daily walk. Let's crunch some leaves, Mimi, on the way out. Thanks, everyone.